Socials.
You need a microphone.
Oh yeah.
So we're back. Sorry, that might be a bit close. But we're just working out these steps. If someone comes past, I'm handing the microphone to Jasmine. Yeah, she's gonna hand the thing to me because she didn't want to hold it. This is like a brilliant view. Yeah, that's so. Wait, look, show the water. Right, you can see the water. So there's people behind us, but like behind us, so not in front, which is good. Right, guys, you can see the views. You can see the views. I have to have it a little bit far away in case it goes glitchy. Right, is your microphone still on your boot? Yep, it is. Oh, there's water, guys. Careful. I don't want you to drop it. Careful. I don't want it to fall out. Right, now come across. Come over this side. Am I holding it?
This is gonna be your personal filming space where you can just talk.
Alright, can I have it?
But I'll hold it because I'm the cameraman.
Okay, but afterwards I'm holding it and she's gonna have the microphone.
Power mode, so hopefully it should last. I mean, it should be because
What?
we're almost at the end.
What? That?
Yeah, it's almost hard. But we should get a sign when it's
But
low.
I mean, it depends. I mean, we're not. It's not like we're going on like an app that wastes your battery. We're just off on camera. Guys, we're off across a bridge. I don't know why, but I just love bridges. Right, look at the water. Look at the water. Look at the rushing water. That's so. Right, she's off across a bridge right now because Alicia is holding the camera. Duh. I'm scared it's gonna fall in. That's why. If she drops the stick, then that's bad. That's bad. We have all our videos in here, and this video would literally be wasted. Okay. This bit's really slippy. It's real slippy. So right now, I'm the only one talking. And you can probably hear the water in the background. Yeah, you can. Sorry, I was just adjusting my mic, but you can hear the water in the background. And then afterwards, I'm gonna have the camera, and Alicia's gonna talk to you. It's very slippy, so we have to be careful. Alright, when are we gonna swap? In 2 minutes. Okay, guys, so there's some people. What? No, it didn't. It didn't have anyone in it though because I faced the floor. If you guys didn't know, because I was holding it. So we're gonna swap in a minute. Wait, I have to have my mic a little bit further away, and the water is very loud. It might not be for you guys, but it is for us. So even though I'm quite behind Alicia, you can still hear me. Right, so off across the bridge. This is nice. This is the best bit of the walk. So this is actually so good so far. So the back there, as I said before, it was so slippy. And guys, look, the literal giant tree is literally falling down. And that is big. Look. That is massive. Okay. I don't know where we're going now. I think it just keeps going up. Alicia's gonna go in front of me when she can. We're gonna swap. Sorry about that. There's like indents from the rocks because so many people have like walked there. Or maybe that was already there. I don't know. Guys, it doesn't look like there's any more people, which is good. Alright, are we gonna swap yet? I think we had to skip a little bit, but we're back, and so there's another fallen tree up here. Like, oh my god! But there's another fallen tree, and like wow! But our roller speed shorts got 2K, well 2.5K, and that was one of Jasmine's shorts. And Stanley's shorts weren't that close up behind because I got like 1.9K. Which is like a lot. Considering a shorts. Guys, there was a dog. And it was so cute. I'm so tired. It was so much fun. We might as well just sit here and just wait. Yeah, so I'll be back in a second.